Imagine you're on a dream vacation, exploring a bustling foreign market. You find the perfect souvenir, but then reality hits. You realize you don't have enough local currency. Today, we're diving into a question that might have crossed your mind. Can you use your GrabPay card overseas? Let's find out. GrabPay, a quick recap. Before we get into the international scene, let's do a quick recap of what GrabPay is. It's essentially your digital wallet, allowing you to make payments for various services, from food and rides to online shopping. But can it hold its own in a foreign land? The overseas advantage. GrabPay has partnered with MasterCard, which means it's accepted in millions of places around the world. So, whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Tokyo or relaxing on a beach in Bali, you can use your GrabPay to pay for your meals, souvenirs, and even your accommodation. Tips for using GrabPay overseas. While using your GrabPay card overseas is generally straightforward, there are a few things to keep in mind. Check your balance. Before you embark on your journey, ensure you have sufficient funds in your GrabPay wallet. You can easily top up your account using your linked bank account or credit card. Mind the exchange rates. When using your GrabPay card overseas, your transaction will be converted to the local currency. Be aware of the exchange rates and any additional fees that may apply. Security first. Always keep your GrabPay app and card safe. Avoid sharing your PIN or card details with anyone, and be wary of phishing scams. Network coverage. While GrabPay works in many places worldwide, it's always a good idea to check the network coverage in your destination. Some areas may have limited or no coverage. Additional benefits of using GrabPay overseas. Aside from the convenience of using a single card for all your transactions, there are other benefits to using GrabPay overseas. Cashback and rewards. Many GrabPay cards offer cashback or rewards programs. You can earn points or discounts on your purchases, even when you're traveling. Contactless payments. GrabPay often supports contactless payments, which are quick, secure, and hygienic. GrabPay app features. The GrabPay app offers additional features like currency conversion calculators and travel tips, making your overseas adventures even smoother. So, can you use your GrabPay card overseas? Absolutely. With its wide acceptance and convenient features, GrabPay is a great option for travelers who want to simplify their payments. Remember to check your balance, be aware of exchange rates, and prioritize security. With a little planning, you can enjoy the benefits of GrabPay wherever your travels take you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.